Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you a website where you can chat with several people. So after opening the website, this type of a screen comes. Here I need to type my name. So I am typing my name here. And we click on join. And here you can see the public chat. And here you cannot chat privately. Now I have to type a message here. For example, I am typing testing. To type emojis, I will leave the details in the description. So I can type this emoji. To log out of the chat, you have to click on this logout button here. You can again log in. Like this.